How to decline invitations in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove them or decline them. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now here on the right top, tap on settings. So now we in this settings interface. Here you'll be able to customize and find different options. On the top, simply tap on privacy. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find an option called do not accept strangers line invitation. So make sure you simply tap on it and turn it on. So this feature has been turned on. Now other strangers and people whom you don't know won't be able to invite you. Now you can simply go back and it's all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.